Hey, so if your Notion AI subscription is not working, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you've already paid but still can't access the features. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this problem. First, go to your account settings and check your subscription status to make sure it's active. Next, confirm that you're logged into the correct account. Yeah, because using a different account is one of the most common issues. Try refreshing the page or restarting the app since sometimes access takes a few moments to update. Logging out and logging back in can also help sync your subscription properly. You should also check your payment status to make sure the transaction was successful because failed payments can block access. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can help, yeah, since stored data can sometimes cause access problems. You can also try using another browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your setup. And if nothing works, contact Notion support for help with your subscription. So, yeah, that's how to fix Notion AI subscription not